On today's episode, a delicious and nutritious recipe that takes less than 15 minutes from pan to table. Vegetable chickpea pancakes along with a wonderful green onion coriander chutney. Hey everyone, this is Boombi. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Okay, so let's come to the chickpeas first. I've taken a cup of canned cooked chickpeas. Drain all the water in which the chickpeas are soaked and add it to your food processor or blender and process them without adding any water. You can even use a fork or masher to mash them, but do not mash them to a paste. You need a coarse texture like this. Next, coming to the pancake batter, I took plain flour. If you want to keep it gluten-free, you can even use chickpea flour. Then curry powder, which gives a nice flavor to these pancakes. Baking powder, that will make the pancakes light and fluffy. Then the chickpeas go in, followed by onions. The gorgeous carrots dive in to make everything look pretty. Green onions, which give a nice flavor, followed by garlic and green chilies. You can leave out the chilies if you want. Then, what do you think will be the next ingredient? Coriander leaves. Of course, how can this pancake be without my favorite coriander leaves? Add as much or as little you may want. Then salt, a tablespoon of oil, and finally freshly crushed black pepper. Mix everything very well. Now add water a little at a time till everything comes together. You need a consistency like this. It is neither too thick nor too thin. Non-stick pan, medium heat. Once the pan turns hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. You need this amount of oil if you want your pancakes to be crispy. Add a few spoonfuls of the batter. Dab gently with the back of your spoon to even out the batter. Do not worry if you see holes forming. You can always even them out with your spoon. Guys, always remember that the first one will always be the experimental one. So do not be disappointed if you see your first one not turning out exactly as shown in the video. It will get better as you move on. I promise. I like to cover it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover and fry for a few more minutes. If you move your pan and your pancake moves along with it, making a sound, lift one side with your spatula to see whether it has started to brown up or not. If yes, then flip it. Add another tablespoon of oil and let that side get fried as well for a few minutes. Gently press your spatula all around to help in even browning. I like to flip a few times so that both the sides turn crispy, but do this very carefully so that the pancake doesn't fall apart. It is crispy on the exterior and has a chewy interior, and the chickpeas add so much flavor. These pancakes taste best when served hot. The green chutney recipe is coming up, so please do not leave yet. Please do try this recipe and send me your feedback. Bye bye.